How to fix Instagram story countdown feature missing problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story countdown feature missing problem. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to get back with the countdown feature in your Instagram account. So first of all, you have to go to your Google Play Store, and then you have to check for your Instagram whether the Instagram is asking for an update. You have to check it. INST Instagram. So see guys, I don't have any Instagram didn't ask me for update. So if they ask you for an update, you have to update your Instagram here, and then after updating, if the problem doesn't work, if you are not getting the features, then go to Google Play Store, install it, and scroll down here. So guys, you can see here, join the beta. You can see here, join the beta. So what you have to do is, you have to join here. Just click on join and press on join. Now you are joining the beta of this Instagram. So it will take a few seconds or a minute, so just wait for a while. So after joining this, you have to go to your Instagram account, and then you can check, or you can uninstall the Instagram and reinstall it, and you can check your Instagram. So this is the new and the best way to get your new feature on Instagram. And guys, after doing this, if you are not getting the feature, if the problem doesn't work, then you have to do is, you have to download a VPN from Google Play Store. Where is my Google? Okay, you have to search for this VPN. Just search. Here is it, Secure VPN. So you have to download this. As I've already downloaded, you have to download this and just select the region, select the country. You have to select the different country. If you are from India, you have to select for United Kingdom or anything. So you have to select the country, and then you have to reinstall your Instagram account, and you can check your feature will be there. So this is how you can fix your countdown feature missing problem on Instagram. Thanks for